Hey, Mrs. Hubbs, what are we going to draw in this lesson?
A folding surprise with ghosts.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need something to draw with. We're going to use markers, some paper, and something to color with.
Oh, something to color with.
We're first going to fold our paper for the folding surprise. We're going to take the top edge and we're going to fold it down to the bottom edge so that we fold our paper in half.
Okay.
We'll line it up and then right down the middle and then out to the corners.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we're going to take the top flap and then we're going to fold it back up to the top. There you go. And crease it. Then we're going to do one more fold. We're going to flip it over and we're going to take the bottom edge again and fold it up to the top. This last fold is actually just a guide fold so that we know where to draw the folding surprise.
Okay.
Then we're going to take that last fold and then unfold it. There you go. And then flip it back over. Good job.
Okay.
This is your first folding surprise,
I
isn't
know.
it?
They're my favorite.
Now we have some scratch paper that we're going to put under your drawing so that the marker doesn't bleed through the paper and get onto our table. Now we're using red, but you can use any color or any scratch paper you have laying around your house or your classroom. Okay, we're going to use our markers next, and we're going to first draw the grass down here at the bottom of our paper. So I'm just going to draw a zigzag line that goes along the bottom edge like this, and you can draw it messy. There you go. All right, now we're ready to draw the tombstone. We're gonna draw, so when it's closed up, we're gonna have a cute tombstone, and then when you open it up, there's gonna be ghosts.
Cute. Okay.
So first, let's draw two lines coming out of the grass. We'll have them come up to that fold, and then we'll draw another one over here on this side. So draw two coming out of the grass. Straight lines, yeah. And then right here at the top, we're gonna draw an upside down U shape to connect those two lines. Okay, let's add a few more details to the tombstone. Let's draw a little skull right here. Draw a cute skull. So I'm going to draw a circle, but it's open at the bottom. And then we can draw 3 connected U's for the teeth. Cute teeth at the bottom. There you go. Good job. Now we can draw 2 circles for the eyes. And you can even color those circles in. What else should we add to our tombstone?
How about some cobwebs, spider webs?
Okay, let's draw a diagonal line that connects the grass up to the, there you go. And we can add, let's add 2 more diagonal lines inside of that.
Okay.
And then we can draw little curves going the other direction. You did it.
Creepy.
Yeah,
Okay.
super creepy. Now we're ready to open up our folding surprise. And we should have part of the tombstone up here at the top and the rest of it down here at the bottom. The first thing we're gonna do is come down here and let's complete the tombstone again. So let's draw another upside down U.
Okay.
Yeah. And then let's come up here and we'll draw our first ghost. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down and curves to the right. And we can do the same thing over here on this side. So 2 curves for the side of the ghost. And then let's connect those bottom lines with a wavy line.
Cute.
Let's draw 2 more ghost shapes.
Okay.
Let's draw one over here on the left and then also on the right.
Okay.
Now, we're just going to repeat a lot of those same steps. So I'm first going to draw the upside down U shape.
Okay.
Then we can draw the curve. This is the side of the ghost. I'm going to draw it curving this way instead of to the right. We'll curve it to the left.
Okay.
Yeah, and then let's draw those wavy lines to finish the bottom of the ghost.
Okay.
Let's draw another one over here on the right. We'll draw the upside down U shape. And then let's curve going, yeah, the other way. Oh, your ghosts are so cute.
Yes, they are.
We'll draw that wavy line down at the bottom. All right, now we got the shape of each of our ghosts. We have 3 ghosts. We need to add what?
Some silly faces.
Yeah, you're supposed
Maybe
to go.
scary
"Hup."
faces.
You're supposed to make a funny
How
face.
does Austin do that?
He goes, "Hup."
Hmm.
Kind of. All right, let's add funny faces. I'm going to draw 2 circles on this first middle ghost. Then let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a straight line first in between the eyes. And then we can let's draw vampire teeth. Okay. 2 little V's. We can draw the bottom of the mouth coming down and then back up. Looks like a U, letter U.
Okay.
You're doing great. Oh, that's so cute. And then inside, let's draw another curve for the tongue.
Okay.
And then let's color in the eyes and also this top shape. On this one, let's draw a different funny face. I'm going to draw a sideways V. This one's winking. And then a circle on the right. We can color in that circle. And then also I'm going to add 2 little eyelashes sticking out the side.
Oh, it's the girlfriend ghost.
Yeah, girlfriend. Maybe she's kissing too. Let's draw the number 3 for the lips.
Okay.
And we can also add, Hadley also likes to add bows. So let's draw a little square on the top.
Okay.
And then draw 2 diagonal lines sticking out of the top. And then connect those back into the ghost head. Yeah, there you go. That's a cute little girlfriend ghost.
I like the girlfriend ghost.
Now let's draw another one over here. And then this one's super happy. So I'm going to draw 2 upside down U's. Yeah, and then let's draw the mouth. And this one could be really happy. So let's draw the top of the mouth. And we can add vampire teeth again.
Have you ever seen a vampire ghost?
I've never seen a ghost.
Oh. Oh, good.
We're going to draw the side of the mouth. I'm going to also draw the bottom of the mouth. And then we can draw, there you go. And then let's draw upside down V's for the vampire teeth on the bottom.
Oh, no.
No, you're good. You're doing good. And then right here, let's draw another line coming down for the inside of the mouth. Then inside of this shape, let's draw another tongue. So we'll draw a curve just like we did up here.
All right.
And then we can color in that top shape. Maybe this one is laughing so hard that there's tears coming out. So I'm going to draw a raindrop shape on each side.
Little ghost tears.
Ghost tears, just laughing. All right, Mrs. Hubs, we finished drawing our 3 ghosts, our folding surprise, except we still have one more step, my favorite.
Color.
Yeah, we did. We need color drawings. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Mrs. Hubs, we did it. We finished coloring our drawings. Yours
Yes.
turned out awesome. Should we show our friends the folding surprise?
Yes.
All right, 3, 2,
2,
1,
1.
boom! It looks really cute, all colored in. Now, we had to add a hat at the very top on our top ghost because when you fold it like this, the top of that ghost needs to be gray. And we didn't want to color all of our ghosts gray, right? So
No.
we added this little hat, colored the top gray. We also added these little speech bubbles. This one's in love, and this one's just thinking about Halloween.
I call this one the Rob ghost.
That's me.
Yep. This is girlfriend ghost.
That's you.
And she's like,
But
I love pumpkins. And he's like, you're a hysterical girlfriend ghost. You can't like pumpkins. You're a vampire ghost. And then the Rob ghost is like,
this is
you're
fun.
both nerds.
We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your own Halloween surprise. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.